Oh, she's a nut. She doesn't know what to do about this. What you doing, New? Ow. Careful of Mommy's foot. Look at now, you're going to get all tangled up in the leash. Well, you got your legs tangled. Get that frog. Get it. Get the frog. Get it. Get the frog. Get the frog. Now she's all tangled up. She doesn't know what to do. Here, let Mommy untangle. Let Mommy untangle. That froggy's getting closer to you. What you gonna do about it? What you gonna do? Poor frog is running at me. It's like, save me. Or toad. I think it's a toad. I don't know. What's the difference? It's gonna get you, Neil. It's gonna get you. Oh, there goes Neil. There it goes, Neil. I would have put on my boots if I knew you were going to be slamming into my feet. Get it, Neil. Get it, Neil. Get it, Neil. What you gonna do? Careful, babe. You're getting tangled. Are we gonna let it go in the grass and hide now? Oh, don't hurt it. Hey, take your paw off of it, baby. Take your paw off of the poor thing. Hey, 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 don't hurt it. Did she hurt it? Is it okay? Yeah, I don't think she damaged it. No, no. Hey, guy. Are you alright? No. Ew, it's like squishy underneath.